All things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. So today I have another baking video for you. So this week was my friend's birthday. We're having a bit of a girls' night tonight, so I decided to make a chocolate orange cake. Now, chocolate orange is definitely my favourite chocolate out there, so comment down below your favorite chocolate. I'd love to know. But if you are a fan of Terry's chocolate orange, then I think you'll really like this video. So let's get cracking. First thing I'm going to do is grease proof some cake tins. I've already preheated the oven to 180 degrees, so let's get on with that. I have a second camera this time, guys. She's just over here, so you can actually see what I'm doing in the bowl this week. So yeah, let's get on with that. So these are my cake tins. I think they are 20 centimeter cake tins, and I'm just going to line them with parchment now. And first I'm going to grease the sides with butter as well. Are done now, so I can just pop them to the side. It just makes things slightly quicker later on. Next I'm going to melt 100 grams of plain milk chocolate. You can either do this in the microwave or boiling water and then placing a bowl over the top. I'm just going to do it the quick way and pop it in the microwave, and then I'm just going to stir it to get the lumps out of it. Okay guys, so I'm going to beat together 230 grams of caster sugar and 230 grams of butter. Next I'm going to weigh out my self-raising flour, which I think is 200 grams, and 40 grams of cocoa powder, which I will then sift into the mixture after I've added 4 eggs. Right, I'm gonna add 4 eggs, and this week I'm not gonna drop any. And then I'm just gonna quickly sift on some of the flour ingredients just so it doesn't separate. Once this is all combined, I'm then going to add the melted chocolate. I'm also going to add a little milk and some orange extract. Split the mixture between the 2 cake tins, so I'm just going to clean up my workspace and then get on with that. Okay guys, so I've separated the mixture into the 2 cake tins, and now they're going to go into the oven for around about 30 to 35 minutes, and we will pick up when they're nice and cool and starting to make the buttercream. Okay guys, so I went ahead and finished off the cake, and this is what she looks like. She is a very high calorific cake, but she tastes so good because I have been eating a lot of the butter icing and the cakes mixture before I did it. But I made the butter icing from 250 grams of butter mixed with 250 grams of icing sugar. Then I put in 40 grams of cocoa powder, I think half a teaspoon of orange extract, that's what I was thinking about, and then I put in 150 grams of melted milk chocolate, yeah, that's the one. And then obviously I used my chocolate orange as the decorative piece, and then I found in Morrison's some orange sugar stars just to add a bit of colour. I've had to like separate them from a load of other colours as well, which is slightly annoying. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think of this cake. I will of course let you know what she tastes like next week in a possible vlog. Thanks so much for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this baking video. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see any other kind of bakes. And yeah, have a wonderful Sunday and I will see you next week. Bye for now. Bye.